The issue is the auto trans fluid was overfilled, and we will take out some using this pump through the dipstick tube. We will remove the dipstick, and then we will insert this hose inside the tube. You will remove little by little, maybe 1/4 of a quart, and then we will check, remove a little, and then check until we reach the right level. This is the pump that we have to use. This is the inlet of the pump, suction. It's the one on top. And then the bottom is the outlet. We'll remove the dipstick. And I'll put a tape to mark the length of the dipstick so that I know how far the tube goes in. Okay, bottom up doesn't go in anymore, and then we will pump. The first attempt didn't work. This red hose is big. It doesn't go all the way down to the tube, so it doesn't reaches the fluid. So I take a smaller tube, a smaller hose, and then it goes all the way down. Now we can pump the fluid. As you can see, the oil is coming out. Now we have removed about 1/4 of a quart, and then we will run the car and see what the level is. I'd already taken out about half a quart of fluid. We will start the engine, let it run for about 5 minutes, and we'll check the level. After removing about half quart of fluid and running the engine about 5 to 10 minutes to reach the operating temperature, and it's at operating temperature now, and let's check the level if it's on the normal level now. Now let's check automatic transmission fluid level. Look like it's right on the mark. That's right on the hot level mark. So that's it. About half quart fluid was sticking out. Run the engine 5 to 10 minutes to reach the operating temperature. And leave the engine running and check the automatic transmission fluid, and it's on the mark, right on the hot level of the dipstick.